We're coming to you live from the Dubai International Stadium. Pakistan won the toss, put India into bat. India got 151 and Pakistan's turn came in, and boy, they've done so well, Sanjana. It's absolutely crazy in the stadium in here. There are just two types of people.
Yeah.
One who are just still sitting on their seat and can't believe what they've seen. Those are the Indian fans. And then the ones who are jumping about are the Pakistani fans, Sanjana.
It's absolutely mad here at the Dubai International Stadium. This is the first time that Pakistan have beaten India in any World Cup, leave alone the T20 World Cup format. And of course, the stadium was resounding with sounds of Dil Dil Pakistan. This is a massive occasion, not only for the team, but also for all of the fans that came out here to support their heroes, to be able to chase it down without losing a single wicket. Commendable performance from Pakistan.
Absolutely. In fact, you can look at the camaraderie that the teams share at the end of the game, while the emotions with the fans are obviously on a massive high. You can see the teams shaking hands, Virat leading the way there, hugs being exchanged, and all of them know what an emotional roller coaster this has been to come out here and live up to the expectations of so many people who wanted both the teams to win. But unfortunately, cricket is a game where just one team really managed to pull it off.
This is a contest that transcends boundaries. It's no longer about which team it is more about exciting action that fans get to see at the stadium. And at the end of the day, it's about that, the spirit of cricket, to be able to come together, put on an entertaining show for everybody that showed up at the stadium and watching from around the world, and to be able to start their campaigns off.
A bitter pill for the Indian fans to swallow, but Pakistan today did come really good. And I'm just looking at the Pakistani team get into a huddle right there. It must mean a lot to them, Sanjana. You know, you've covered so many games as a sports presenter. These big games, what do they mean to these teams, Sanjana?
The big games are where you get a chance to showcase your talent at the biggest stage possible. It is a world stage, especially in a match like this, where both these teams are starting their T20 World Cup campaign to be able to come out, give it their all, clinically beat a team that has been apex predators in this format of the sport is absolutely fabulous. They had a huddle behind us. The team is ecstatic. They've started off this T20 World Cup on a great footing, and India will look to go back to the drawing board and come back stronger in the next encounter.
I think the drawing board is already out in the center, because I just heard MS Dhoni's walked out as well. He's out there somewhere.
Yeah, we're looking for MS Dhoni.
Oh, there he is. There he is, having a chat with Matthew Hayden. There he is. Two CSK boys catching up to discuss what happened between India and Pakistan. You can see them have a chat there, and I think the entire Indian think tank, I'm not sure if they're going to go into panic mode after a game like this, but I'm sure there is going to be a lot that's going to be spoken, Sanjana.
I mean, there is a lot at stake here. India and Pakistan, when they come up against each other, fans expect a lot, and then it's about the occasion. It's about the stars coming out and performing. So obviously, I'm assuming a lot of the Indian fans will be very hurt, but these are still early days in their campaign. It's only their first match. They did brilliantly in the warm-ups, and they have plenty more opportunities to come out and put on a strong show.
And for those who are sitting at home and watching us now on Facebook, please do take a look. This is absolutely incredible. The team acknowledging the fans who've been cheering for them right through this evening. The scenes here are just incredible.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni, or Mentor Singh Dhoni, and we should call him, the Pakistani team members have surrounded him. They're looking to have a conversation with him. Wonder what the chat is there, huh, Danish?
Well, I'm sure when it comes to someone like MS Dhoni, everybody could draw a little from his experience, including someone like me, because I'm overwhelmed by this entire crowd here when I walked in to see the national anthems play, to see people sing it, you know, in chorus, to sing it so loud. It's been incredible just being a part of this right from the word go, Sanjana.
Absolutely. The stadium is beautiful. They call it the Ring of Fire, and then it was packed to the rafters today with fans of both sides. Even right now, as we speak, some of the Pakistani players are looking up into the balcony and waving to their fans and thanking them for coming out here and supporting them. We've heard dhols throughout this match, something that we've missed dearly over the last 2 years, especially since things were being played behind closed doors. What a way to come back.
Oh yeah, this is really coming back with a bang. In fact, if we can just move the camera around to that side as well, just to show the happy fans who've sort of engulfed the stands. They're all playing to the cameras. They're all having a great time. The experts are out there having a chat for their respective TV channels. And you can see the stadium is just engulfed with a sea of green. None of them want to leave. One of the key players from today's game, Shaheen Afridi, is on the big screen right now. Sanjana, I wonder how they're going to be deciding the man of the match, because there were 3 outstanding performances. Not to, of course, discount Virat. So there were 4 extremely good performances, but 3 for Pakistan. Must be a tough choice for the commentators to make today.
Absolutely. It was a match that ticked all the boxes when it came to entertainment, great performers, standout moments, and of course the fans enjoyed every minute of it. I think we've been talking long enough. Let's just take a moment of silence and let everyone watching at home just absorb the sounds of the Dubai International Stadium tonight. It has been Super Sunday. India took on Pakistan, and this stadium is truly alive at the moment.